All right, welcome back to another beautiful day here. Today I have to even look this up. We're in Greenwood Furnace State Park. This is in Huntington, Pennsylvania, just outside of State College, Pennsylvania, where Penn State is. Anyway, today it is going to be a late start. It is already noon. We came in late last night, camped out, as you can see over here, and so I'm gonna give a better shot of that. Camped out last night, got up this morning, slept in, decided to sleep in a little bit, and yeah, now we're gonna get out for a run. Like I said, it's noon already. It is the hottest part of the day, but it's only in the 60s, so it shouldn't be too bad. I got a funny hat on to keep the sweat out of my eyes. It looks really goofy, but I hope it works. Also, you can flip it. Whoa. Anywho, we're gonna get rolling here. My wife is already out. She's already left to go for her run, and we're gonna go find a half marathon trail course. It's part of a I think it's called the Greenwood Furnace Challenge Half Marathon or something like that. Anyway, we're gonna try to find that, not get too lost, not get too hurt. And it's very technical. Apparently there's a river crossing, there's rock scrambles, there's extreme ascent and descent. So anyway, let's get rolling. Just getting started on this course, and I'm already struggling. Yesterday, I raced a 10K. Then we drove a bunch of hours. Now I'm trying to do this half marathon. Oh, hope I warm up and feel stronger in a little bit. Tailwind, don't fail me now. Look what I found, deep in the woods. I'm dying already. Anyway, I'm gonna talk to my wife for a minute and then continue on with this ridiculousness. Oh. All right, she's off, and yeah, we're off too. Try to get this thing going. I've only gone a couple hundred yards so far. Erin started before me. A few minutes, actually like 5-10 minutes she started, and we kind of fell into each other. That's kind of neat. Anyway, we gotta get running here. Let's go. This is the hardest course I've ever done. Not that I've done a lot of these, but it's all rock and really, really steep hills. I might as well just turn my heart rate monitor part off because I'm pegged. Oh, all right. Just keep pushing up this thing. Yes. The camera doesn't show the steepness. It's steep. Oh my God. what you're seeing here is essentially straight up and on rocks. I guess it's the rock scramble. God, I think a good challenge, but I think it's a little bit easier than this because I'm kind of like just jogging already. I ain't got like 10 miles to go yet. Oh my God, it's ridiculous. I managed to find some places to run. Just taking a quick break here, but that was after climbing for 45 minutes or so. Some of the hardest stuff to climb I've had to do in a while, ever maybe. Anyway, starting to get back to some flatter areas, and I think we're near the top of something here, so maybe we'll get a vista shot someplace of everything we just climbed. Oh boy, let's go. Yay! Finally something I can run. Look at this. Oh. And maybe I'll actually get done this half marathon before dark if there's a lot of this stuff. Because what I was just on for the last 4 miles was not really runnable. At least not for me. Anyway, long way to go. Not a lot of light left. Whew. Okay, now we're experiencing a new problem, and it's extreme downhill. Again, I'm not able to run. I can't see the rocks with all the leaves, and it's really, really steep to the point that I'm basically skiing down this hill, and my quads are getting crushed, even at this like, fast walking pace. Ow! Oh my God, this is crazy. Almost halfway done. Yay. We just passed mile 5 of this thing. So, sorry I can't look at the camera, so I'm looking at my desk. Whoa, man, this is steep. All right, now we're back onto a fire road, cruising it, doing like 8-minute mile pace now, as opposed to the 16-minute mile pace not long ago. So anyway, I'll take this when I can, because we have one more peak to climb and come down, and there's supposed to be some kind of water crossing as well. So, see what happens when we get there. Check out this nice little fire road though. Oh, man, this morning my wife decided that she was hungry, extra hungry, so she made us eggs and oatmeal. And right now I'm really appreciating that, because I think I'd be bonking by now otherwise. But I also have a peanut butter honey sandwich, some goo, rocking my tailwind as always, and I have a granola bar as well. So hopefully that'll get me through the next half of the marathon. Okay, little did I know that this course is actually 2 loops of the same thing. So we just finished 1 loop. It was 7.5 miles. And yeah, I guess we're gonna do it again. So I'm gonna eat my sandwich here, peanut butter and honey sandwich, and do the loop again. Try not to get lost. So let's roll. Well, I think I pretty much hit a wall. I got a little lost on the second loop because I was trying to do it by memory, and I had to climb back up a hill. I just went down, and I don't know. I feel like every time I have my sandwich, they try to give me more energy. Like that's like right after that is when my body decides it had enough. So right now my body's telling me it's had enough. Now, I'm not sure what to do right now. I paused my watch because I'm still flummoxed on what to do, which way to go. Oh, I can go down here, somewhere here, there, and go back to the campsite, or I can go up there and climb a hill for another 45 minutes and turn around and make my way back down. I think I'm pretty much gonna wrap it up. I don't know. I think I'm gonna take a moment of rest and figure out what I'm gonna do, because my legs are screaming at me. I'm a little shaky for some reason. I got plenty of hydration, I got plenty of calories, I think. I've only been out here for an hour and 45 minutes or something like that. Got almost 10 miles in. So, I don't know. Figure this out. All right, the group has voted, and the consensus is start wrapping things up here. Yeah. We got a lot of miles on the legs this week, and not feeling it right now. So we're gonna go back downhill, the easier way, and take some other meandering trails back over to the campground and call it a day. Hopefully get towards 13 miles or so. So that's only like 3 more miles now. Anyhow, let's try not to die. I'm starting to feel a little weak, and legs are just unhappy. Stomach's starting to get a little unhappy. And yeah, I'm kind of at this breaking point here. Which is not good because I'm only 10 miles in on a run. But it has been brutal. All right, let's get out of here. Okay, that's gonna wrap it up for today. Not quite what I wanted to do. Legs are kind of beat up. I raced a 10K yesterday, which I guess took more out of my legs than I had anticipated, and pretty much shot right now. But I got just over 11 miles done. I wanted 13 or so, 12, 13. It's just, these hills are brutal and rocky. And well, you've seen the video already, which I want to say thank you, by the way, for watching all the way to the end. It's just a rough one, but this stuff makes you stronger, makes you faster on the road as well. And yeah, I'm looking forward to a lot more of these outings out here in Pennsylvania, Maryland, wherever we can go. Next week I think we're going to travel someplace special and new and get some hard runs in there as well. So anyway, that's it for the video. Comment down below where you guys off to this weekend. Leave a big thumbs up on the video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed before. Until next time, peace.
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift and hope that you'll take it